Fox 47's Local for You in the Know segment is sponsored by the Bruce Company.
We're back inside the Bruce Company talking holiday houseplants with Lisa Briggs. And Lisa, these are the gifts that keep on growing.
They are, and holiday blooming plants bring a lot of color into your home when it's gray and gloomy outside. Maybe you've gotten one as a gift, maybe you've given one as a gift, but what do you do with them when the holidays are over to keep them looking their best?
That's a great question. Our viewers have probably received one of these, so let's start here.
Yeah, so this is the very popular poinsettia, native of Mexico, so it likes that kind of conditions. You're going to want to let it dry out between waterings. It likes sun and it likes it to be warm. This is the Christmas cactus. Although this is actually a Thanksgiving cactus, likes a lot of the same conditions as the poinsettia, although it would appreciate temperatures that were a little bit cooler. My favorite is the cyclamen. I love the variegated foliage, and they are a lot more forgiving about where they are cooler and a little bit less light.
Thank you, Lisa. Lots of options, brucecompany.com.